Welcome everyone. Every Friday we try to learn a little bit from my holy ancestor, the Maharal Prague. Amen. This week's Parshas, Parshas Noach. In the book of Genesis, chapter 6, verse 9, we read, Elu told us Noach, Ish Tzadik, Tamim Hayav Deresav, as Elohim His Halech Noach. These are the generations of Noah. Noah was in his generations a man righteous and wholehearted. Noah walked with God. Rashi says that since Noah is mentioned, we begin to tell over his praise. As it says in Proverbs chapter 10, the memory of the righteous, or the mention of the righteous, is a blessing. But another explanation, the main offspring or generations of the saints are their good deeds. The Heilige Zayden Maharal Prague, he explains, he brings a medrash, the Bereshis Rabbah, where do we derive that the good deeds are called generations or offspring? In Isaiah 3 it says, say ye of the righteous, and it shall be well with them, for they shall eat the fruit of their deeds. That the deeds are the fruit that a person begets. Why does it say that the main offspring of the saints of their good deeds is because the good deeds are mentioned before the children, before the offspring? So we learn from this that this is the main offspring. It seems to me that's the medrash. So says the Heilige Zayden Maharal in Prague, that it appears to him that when a person has offspring, when a person leaves over a legacy, that is his partnership with the divine, with God. May His name be blessed. The main thing is God. But good deeds come from the person himself, not from God. Told those. So therefore, we say that the main offspring that belongs specifically to a human being are the good deeds, whereas the things that we have children, that's a gift of God. And furthermore, the main offspring, the main legacy that a person lives over are his good deeds. Because the offspring are something that are not in his body, they're something that leaves his body. But the children leave the body, but the good deeds are with his body. Says there's no greater offspring than this. Because it's as if he gave birth to himself, he's born again. Yosef told her, and that's an even greater offspring. Because when the children leave you, you don't have much control over which way they go. You try your best to educate them the right way, but they don't always go in the right way. But if you do something proper, even Noah, we know had problems with his children. But if you do something the right way, so that is under your control, and therefore it is your legacy. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later.